Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John, and yes, we were able to get over 1,000 pips when it comes to the VIP Neo trades. Now these are the trades I give out in the VIP signals area in Telegram, but I have put all of the stats results in my Discord, and I've also put the Neo swing trade stats in my Discord, which I will show you in a bit. Now you can see here, I'm not saying I'm a perfect trader, and we have had losses in these trades as well as wins, but they're all here for you to be able to see straight away. And you can see there's just nice results, nice clean trades going through the month, you know, again with wins and losses. And when we tally it all up, it comes to 795 pips in the month of February. So for me, that's a pretty slow month. Sometimes these things happen. This is just how it goes. Okay, so this is the Neo trades pip count, and this is for the swing trades that actually come through. And these are trades you'll obviously be holding for a bit longer. Now, a lot of these trades never actually went into my supply or demand zone. There was only actually one of them. All of the other confluences did come into play, and these were trades I gave out in my weekly Zoom call I do for the VIP members. So they pretty much all did what I expected, and you can see here we had a good amount of trades. And when you add it all up together, it was 1,560 pips, but of course one of them did work, so it was 310 pips, and you add that to the 795, and that's how we've got over 1,000 pips. Just to let you know, those 1,000 pips I am speaking about was not inclusive of all of these pips here, barring the 310. Now, when we go over to MT4, again, this is where the magic begins. So right now you can see the Neo indicator, and this is the dashboard for the indicator. And here you would have all of the pairs. Of course, I've just got EuroCAD here. This is one of the winning signal trades this week. And you can see the trend here, which is 27 days ago. And here you can see the take profit one level, which would be 91 pips from your entry, as long as all the confluences come into play. Here's how much your take profit two would be, which would be 183. Also, you have the volume of the 4-hour chart here telling you when price action's getting ready for a trade. You can see it's currently bearish at the moment, so this is why we were looking for a sell trade this week. And here is stop hunt 2 in confluence with this. Now, we did actually catch this trade from all the way up here the first time all the way down to here, and that was about a 400 pip trade. That was a Neo swing trade, and that was last month. Now, when we move forward, we were actually looking for a new trade setup, so we had a nice supply area from here. You can see our price action went down, went to touch this area, sold before, so we was looking for another sell off this area if price action went back there. Now, of course, this time they actually went to go break this supply area, giving us a losing trade at first, but then they went up a little bit more and did sell price action from over here. This is probably because a new month had opened and they had a new level of support, so they bought price action off of that level for an extended amount. Now let's go over to the VIP signals area, and this is just for me to be able to show you what we was actually looking for. So there was about 4 to 5 trades this week, and of course, as the week was going through, you can see these are the charts that I was going through in my weekly Sunday Zoom call. I do that at 6 p.m. at London time, and they are recorded just in case you can't be there. People are all over the world, I understand, but you can get the recording once you are a VIP member. And we can see straight away over here there was a whole bunch of trades. I'm continuously updating people on what I'm seeing or what I'm looking to take or what there is available in the market in terms of trade setups for the week that we're actually in. And there were wins and losses as well. Nothing was perfect. So at the end of the week we were actually profitable in this, and it was actually fantastic for us. So I'm just going to show you where the EuroCAD entry came in. And right over here you can see this was the second entry for EuroCAD. So there was the first one further up, and here was the second entry. I told traders to take 1 to 2 times ADR take profit, and that was great for us. Of course, this one did work, and it did go 1 times ADR in profit. And down here you can actually see the results, so 795 pips, and this is how much we was actually able to make in the signal trade. So now let's head back over to MT4, and whilst we're on MT4 you can see exactly what price action did. So we had our sell, we had our supply area breached, we also had the liquidity grab, and then price action gave us a trade opportunity here. Let me head over to the 15-minute chart. So when we're on the 15-minute chart, so this was the first entry that actually faked out. So as soon as this happened, this actually faked out, and of course you can see price action brought back up, but then we had a re-entry over here. So just to let you know, the break of structure system and the CHOC has been added to the actual indicator Neo now. So we are at 80% completion currently, and this is great because the next thing that needs to be added is the supply zones. But right now we have had a lot of things added to this indicator. The box you can see in the background, I never drew that. The indicator did put it there. Of course you can change the color. Whatever color you change this to, the dashboard will also change to that color. So whatever bearish or bullish colors you want, that's the colors you would have on the dashboard. So what needs to be added to this break of structure system next is this part here on the dashboard. So it's going to show up here, and it would be bearish or bullish just to tell you what's actually happened, and it will have the numbers there to tell you how long ago there was a bullish or bearish move. So now when we get into the actual EA part of this is when I say the EA will be able to give you a trade. So once all of the confluences have been reached, we can see the trend trend is bearish. We can see stop hunt 1 gave us the entry, which is telling us from a 4-hour perspective that we should be looking for an entry in this chart because it's getting weaker. And when it's getting ready for a trade, most times it turns to a navy blue color, or it will say 0. If it does say 1 straight away, that's even great for us as well, because it's telling us it's definitely happened. So when you're waiting for this actual trade setup, you would have seen this massive move happen here. And as this was happening, you would have just easily have set on your auto trading button. So this button right over here, and the EA would have taken the trade for you a few hours later when this actually broke structure here. And of course, take profit 1 was 91 pips. And right over here, you would have hit TP automatically with the bot. So you do not switch the bot on and leave it to run all throughout the course of the day. You leave it to run once all the confluences have been achieved. And then all you're doing is, instead of waiting and watching this screen move, you are literally switching on auto trading, just so that when this does happen, maybe 1, 2, or 3 hours later, you know, sometimes you've got to go to work and do other things, the bot will be able to take that for you. Now, when it comes to the bot, there's a whole bunch of settings you're going to be able to change and things like that. So you do not have to worry. You do not also have to worry about how you're going to trade this system. I've said it time and time again, it's not completed yet, but once it is completed, I will make a full instruction manual and a whole bunch of course videos so people are going to be able to know how to trade this system. Now, guys and girls, do not miss out on this opportunity. If you want to get involved, hopefully it will be completed by the end of March. We have run behind a little bit because of course coding issues. One of them was the break of structure system. So again, we're still even finishing off the little parts of the break of structure system. But again, this is a 100 GBP fee and you can become a lifetime user. This is a limited time access. You're also going to be added to the VIP service, which covers the VIP signals, the Zoom calls, a trend alert dashboard Excel sheet, and you're also going to have trend alert break of structures that come through on Telegram telling you when to enter the market if you're looking from a manual perspective. Like this break of structure here, an alert would have come through on Telegram telling you EuroCAD 15-minute sell alert because you saw a break of structure. This is what's going to help you when it comes to trading. Trust me, guys and girls, do not miss out. Once it's completed, the price will go up and things will change. I do not want anybody to say, can you do me the limited time offer because I missed out? This is why I'm making all my videos strictly on what I'm trading. You can see this works. For 2 months now, we have been consistently profitable with this trading strategy, and this is why I have made an indicator out of this. There are links for payment information below. If you're not sure on conversion rate, you can direct message me, but you can also use Google to work out conversion rates from your currency into Great British pounds. And if you do want to message me, you can also see the links below where you can message me on Discord or you can message me on Telegram for further information. Right now, it's your boy Big John. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.